How to use colour to change the way we feel energetically. Have you ever thought how different our life experiences would be if we only saw the world in black and white with no colour? The truth is, colour impacts everyone on some level, either mentally, physically, emotionally, spiritually, and finally energetically. The colour of the clothing you wear and your hair will represent your mood and how you wish to portray yourself to others. The colours you use to decorate your home with the accessories will reflect your personality. And the colours that businesses use to attract customers and clients are often specifically chosen depending on the business they have. For example, a marketing company may choose orange because they know it makes people feel happy. A spa may choose to have green as its main colour as it is calming and therapeutic. And restaurants often favour red as it increases the appetite. So how does colour specifically affect us energetically? When we wear or see a certain colour, it can provoke different reactions within us, as each colour has a different vibration. And for this reason, if we wish to feel a certain way, it is important to choose our colours carefully. For example, warm colours such as yellow and orange can evoke feelings of happiness. Green or blue can encourage a sense of calm and harmony. And bright, vibrant colours such as red can often get us noticed and can immediately boost the way we are feeling and our energy levels. The chakras in the body are our energy centres, and each one of the main 7 chakras has a colour associated with it, which form part of the characteristics of that particular chakra. The root is associated with red or black, the sacral with orange, the solar plexus with yellow, the heart with green and pink, the throat with light blue, the third eye with indigo, and the crown with purple or white. There are many ways to use colour to change the way you feel, the most obvious being the clothes you wear and the colours of the walls in your home. If, for example, you are feeling very feminine, you may wish to wear pink and then accessorise with a purple scarf. If you are feeling particularly spiritual that day, your home may be painted green to evoke a feeling of serenity. But you may have candles or flowers in a bright yellow to create a warm and sunny atmosphere. Have you ever considered the significance of the colour of the food you eat? For example, green foods such as salad, avocado, peppers and most vegetables are very good for you, and taking a shower with the relevant coloured crystals and stones in the shower head can be especially healing. Colour therapy is based on the theory that different colours create impulses in our brain, stimulating processes which of course affect the energy flow throughout the body. These processes generally involve looking at different colours to see which calm or stimulate us, and is a way of treating illness within the body. The use of colour, therefore, is very important to bring balance and harmony back to the body and mind, therefore improving our health and well-being for the foreseeable future.